Hey! I look so crazy good. I have my giant suitcase, I have my big backpack, I have my hair covered in plastic bags. Hey! I'm about to commute to Utica's. It takes me a while, not to dox myself, but if you've watched Mean Girls, I'm like in that area. So I'm splurging on a Lyft because, guys, I'm going to a premiere. Hello.
Hey!
Hi.
Is your booty pumped?
Oh, God, yes.
I'm so excited. There's a ton of cool people there tonight. The episode looks amazing from what I've seen. On the way over, I have to edit the promo for our show, and then I'm gonna get there, and I'm gonna get into drag, and she's gonna get into drag, and I don't know. I think tonight's gonna be amazing.
Hello, hello, hello! Hi, ladies!
Oh, look at all those seams. I could have done a lining, but actually I couldn't have. I didn't have time. Poor Twink. Poor sad Twink. This is where my heart always starts to beat, and I get really scared that, what if I forgot the wig, even though the wig is right there? But I'm like, what if I did though? My earrings that are binder rings from Home Depot. That's everything. Cool. Ooh, in the back I look a little crazy. Yeah, I just want it like as tight in every place. Mm-hmm. Obviously, you know, there are things to fix, but
you know what this needs? A hook and eye. If only the designer put a hook and eye.
Girl, I did this in one day in between recording our content.
This is cunty ribbon.
Thank you.
Do you want it tucked in?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Tucked? What does that mean?
Great.
Yay,
this is cool.
Thank you.
Well, now we got a show. Wow. A moment. Don't look. Don't
Stop
look
the
at
yeah. Don't look at the top or the bottom, honestly.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's like opposite, like that.
Yeah. You literally described it like to a T.
Yeah, and then I made it.
It looks like what I'm wearing tonight.
And then the last perfect thing. One more thing.
Now what?
Sing to me, mommy, sing to me.
You're a mommy.
I'm a mother.
Mamacita.
There's nowhere close to an outlet and a mirror, so I'm on the floor, in the kitchen. Ooh, we got 20 minutes. You might be shaped like a bumblebee, but you're beautiful, girl. Just love your body. Thank you, 5. Yeah, I did community theater. Hey, Ru. Oh!
It's the cast of Hacks.
Deborah, and the other one, the lesbian. What's her name?
I'm the lesbian.
I'm not Deborah.
You're Deborah.
Girl, you're Deborah Boots.
You're blonde and you're an old comic.
Oh,
and I'm young.
You're
and
young
I'm
and
ginger.
queer. Yeah, I'm sick of woke.
We're on our way to Roscoe's for the first ever Project Runway viewing party. And I'm so sad.
It's her only episode. She couldn't even come out with anything on the runway. She just puts like an old sock through the sewing machine and starts crying.
I'm gonna get the Emmy. You had a lot of work done.
Yeah, I mean, just like my breasts.
Yeah, your posture's amazing.
Well, if some of us are in corsets and pads.
Yeah, I'm in a little bit of day wear.
I mean, and this is like her best looking years.
Okay, on that note, we're gonna go.
Always remember to go one step forward and never one step back, because the future is ahead of you.
Because when you think you can't, you can't.
You can't. You can't drag. We are at the premiere of Project Runway today at Roscoe's.
shit is getting really sickening and really fierce. What is one thing you do the most excited to see Utica do this upcoming season?
Ooh, excited to see Utica do. Besides her fashion, I'm excited for her to be introduced to a whole different audience.
I don't think they're ready.
I don't know if they're ready either. She's about to change so many minds.
Yeah, and piss people off too.
And that's what excites me.
Yes, and fashion is supposed to push boundaries and be inspiring. Ugh. I'm joined with the stunning Kahmora Hall.
Keep going, keep going.
So I was hoping she'd introduce herself.
That was not the stutter happening.
Oh! I'm so honored to have you. You've been wanting to be on for so long. You love all the videos you've watched.
First time viewer.
So she's not
Long
yes
time
and
listener.
Oh no, but out of all the looks that Utica has done for you, what's your favorite look?
Not only has Utica designed me like original pieces, but she has also like fixed up a lot of my vintage pieces. The most recent thing she made for me was this very Asian gown with these huge shoulders.
The red one?
Yes.
The embroidery on that?
Lunar New Year. That was really beautiful. She really just captured everything that I wanted.
I don't know if you've heard, but we're actually doing a YouTube recap show called The Stitch. Scale of 1 to 10, how sweet is it of me to platform this up-and-coming star?
You know, I would have to say a 50 because, like, you know, local talent, showcasing local talent, like the amount of exposure that you're giving Utica on Twitter,
And she's used to bars.
and everything else. Exactly. It's so sweet of you.
How proud are you of her this season?
Girl, this was I sent her a long ass text the day before, basically saying, I'm so proud of my girl. I mean, I just feel like she's finally on a platform that really appreciates and respects the artistry that she encompasses. You know, like she is fashion, she is drama. I love that she's being praised for it on this new platform. And to be the first blue girl to be on Project Runway,
Breaking boundaries.
like literally breaking boundaries.
Because there are
Crossing
some
the
girls
bridge.
that say like, I want to break the boundaries, and they start like a YouTube channel.
Right, and, or it's like a YouTube channel of them just like doing makeup. You've been there, done that. Do something different.
And who are they specifically? What names?
Twink. Oh,
I've got enough screenshots of my name, so I'm like,
Oh wait, I didn't know that.
in a good way. And people like be like, oh my goodness, I'm sad, you know, like
Oh,
that type of stuff.
sickening.
I was like, I should get on it just to, you know, feel the praise.
Feel the love. We should do an acapella group.
Oh my, what should we do?
Okay.
Come
Zoom,
crash?
zoom, 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 zoom.
Oh, we're doing it now.
Zoom, 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 zoom. And Patrikios, zoom, 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 zoom. No, I meant vocally. Zoom, 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 zoom.
No, you also joined it.
We started out friends.
What the fuck? Fuck Glee.
bye.
There's a lot of gay people here, Kahmora. Gay people. Oh, amen.
No, right, I did the same thing. I said,
And now it's time to fill the chair with piss. Ooh, it's like a roller coaster.
stop yourself.
Wow, I look so good.
In the dark.
Shut the fuck up.
Hello, YouTube. I'm Auntie Lilith.
Please everyone follow Auntie Lily.
Yeah, Lilith Towers on all social medias and Venmo.
And are you so proud of Utica?
Oh my god, so proud of my sister. She deserves this and more, and get it, crown her.
Please welcome to the stage the star of Project Runway Season 21, your hometown girl, Utica!
Faggots, yes! I love your kind!
So how excited are you for this?
It was really devastating. Like, we were all crying in the back. It was really sad.
What's your budget? Can you say?
Usually I think it was like $4, which is a lot of money.
Congratulations, Ethan. You're the winner of this challenge.
Winner, chicken dinner!
Shut up.
Can I tell you a little bit about the look?
No, I hated all of it. Well, we want to thank everyone on YouTube for watching.
Faggots, yes!
I love big tits.
I look horrible. Seriously, opening doors for us to your talents are beyond the stage that soars to the runway and soon to every magazine, red carpet, and editorial around the globe. Consider this arrangement a deposit on my Utica creation.
Do you think these ladies are right in fashion? It's hard because the woke has infiltrated fashion. Should gay people live?
Fuck Glee!
If there's anything I can do to help, let me know, but otherwise I'll be on QVC with this RuPaul pillow.
All right, so I cannot tell you the importance of a pillow. Like, pillows need to be great.
These are the pillows that we tell every single person on the set to buy.
They're fun and really easy to make. The gold part is their part is scrapbooking. Yeah, I like it. She mentioned that it was inherently uncomfortable, and I was like, oh, she's busy.
It was uncomfortable.
I love big tits.
What about that? I'm gonna go back here. You're gonna have to run all the way back. Utica, what did you think?
Oh, I really had a fabulous time, and like, the episodes are so good. The season is so good. The filming is so good. The looks. So, yeah, I just feel like I've put so much like heart into the competition, and it's showing. And the looks.
Yeah, and LaRoche loves you.
Wow, we'll see.
There's still
We'll
time.
see. This is like such a big opportunity, and I feel like I'm making the most of it.
Well, we're also proud of you, and we are gonna give all of our extra thoughts on the recap show. So make sure to just click on that and do the stuff, and everybody go and party with your mom.
Yeah, and make sure you click that link down below.
Keep it gaping, girls. Okay, guys, it's done. I am so tired, and tomorrow is my first day off in like a week. Not to be dramatic, hey, not to complain, this is a casual vlog though. I've been working like 12-hour days every day. Oh, but while I get undressed, let's just do a final recap. I mean, God, I'm really, corny because it's what everyone's saying, but this is my channel, so I get to say it with the most emphasis. So proud of her. I feel like what she's able to do this time around is just be a lot more authentic and have story producers that, are like wanting to highlight her as a three-dimensional person. It's also cool that like she had the most confessionals of anyone. That is a huge deal, honestly. When she got the call, I was helping her like put together the package. It's such a different prep process than Drag Race. Like that, it's a month of absolute dread and terror. I mean, at least that's how I perceive it. Drag Race, you're preparing 100 things in a month, and it all is so expensive, and it's all so quick. And Project Runway, like, yes, it was a lot, but it was a bit more like practice and training for her and boot camp. There was a lot more time to tell a narrative story in the workroom, which I think that's really cool. One sec. Oh no. To be in a room full of people that are all getting to experience it in its end state. Like, this is the presentation. This is the story that's already been told, but now it's being presented. Like, that is just, it's a new thing to me. Not to her, but it is to me. And this process, even though it's not about me, hey, it's not about me. I feel like I have a place now, kind of. And that's really not something that I've felt like I
had obtained. Now I know the 12-hour days that I'm doing, they're worth it. I used to like work crazy hard and then at the end of the day, like stare at the wall and go, okay, then nothing's changed, you know? And perhaps I have mental illness, but it's just, it's validating a lot of the nicest voices in my brain for the first time in a long time. And now I'm off to make the outfits for our recap show. My toes hurt, my body hurts, but this was so much fun, and it is lovely. And drag is awesome.
The earth is flat or something. Oh!